Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are healthy and doing well. It is June 15 and Tuesday. Today we are going to Jogni Waterfall. I've never been there before. It is my first time going to Jogni Waterfall, and I will take all of you with me. So let's go, let's see the Jogni Waterfall today. Coming some of our companions who are trekking with us. You can cover this trek in 2 to 3 hours depending on your speed. You can also cover this trek in an hour if your speed is more. Today's weather is very nice, but it is a little hot. Everyone is tired and hot right now and sweating too. And after resting for a while, we will start our trek again.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time.
Finally, we are here. We reached the Jogni Waterfall. It is really very beautiful. Now we will go closer to the waterfall. Many tourists have arrived here already and some of them are screaming. So I would like to tell you all that if you ever visit such waterfalls, please don't scream here. And if you go to such a place, take the garbage with you. Please keep such places clean. Okay, now let's see the beautiful Jogni Waterfall. guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.